Welcome again to my YouTube channel where you can learn knowledge about seafaring. So for today's video, we will talk about a ship fitter or welder on board ships. I will explain to you what is a ship fitter, what is the duties and responsibilities of a ship fitter, how to become a ship fitter, how much salary they have, and what nationality belongs are most of fitters in the world today. But before anything else, disclaimer muna tayo. Let's start. So what is a ship fitter or welder on board ships? A ship fitter or welder on board is a skilled worker who assembles, installs, and repairs mechanical systems on board by means of welding and carpentry. These skilled tradespeople cut, shape, and weld metal parts to assemble the structural frame. In the basic fittings, the skill imparted are sewing, filling, marking, chipping, measurement, riveting, soldering, brazing, drilling, and observation of all safety aspects is mandatory. Utilize welding skills to fuse structural components, inspect structural system based on local and state building codes, set up and adjust machines, tools, and equipment. So the next question about fitter we will tackle is what is the duties and responsibilities of a ship fitter. So the duties and responsibilities of a ship fitter on board are the following. The number one is to follow and obey job orders from immediate department head or supervisors. Example of them is the chief engineer, second engineer, first engineer, and many more. Number two is to ensure safety of the vessel, equipment, colleagues, and self during onboard works. Number three is to make sure that all of his tools and work is in good and satisfactory condition. So the next question I will explain is how to become a ship fitter. So for those who want to become a ship fitter, I will recommend you to have the passport, seaman's book, and the STCW trainings. Example of this is if you are from the Philippines, they require you to have a basic training certificate, SD certificate, advanced firefighting certificate, and many more. Those are the STCW required trainings. And after that, you need also to complete a welding certificate or technical training program. You also need to gain experience with structural and plate welding techniques. You also need to learn to read marine blueprints and apply layout skills. You also need to have a lathe machine operator certification. And also you need to gain experience on fabrication using a lathe machine. To become a ship fitter, you must have a strong special skills, the ability to read and follow blueprints, precise measuring ability, experience in metal working, and incredible physical stamina of becoming a ship fitter requires strong welding and metal working skills, physical endurance, and attention to detail. While some of the ship fitters learn on the job, most employers prefer candidates with a formal training or certification, a high school diploma, or a Gen Ed IWS welding certifications, especially FCAW, SMAW, or GMAW. So, the last question I will answer is, what nationality are most of the fitters belong, or what nationality are most of the fitters in the world today? I have here the list of 6 common nationalities of fitters in the world today. Number 6 is India. Number 5 is Russians. Number 4 is Malaysians. Number 2, Indonesians. Number 2 is Chinese. And most of the world's feeder today is from the Philippines. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot in this video. See you in my next vlogs.